Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Are you all celebrating Diwali or are you all planning to celebrate Diwali, guys? I know most of you all are thinking that in these 2 or 3 days you will study and you all will be feeling the guilt that in case if I miss out on these 2 days, then you will not able to study the chapters as per the plan. That is a CA student mindset, and you all might be experiencing this Diwali guilt. If you are a student like that, this video is specially made for you all. Now, when relatives come or when your family members are calling you to pray, to enjoy, come, let's burst the crackers, the things in your mind will be, in this time, I could have finished studying automated environment. Did you finish AS 21? Now I'm lighting the diyas. The light should actually be in our life. We should not be doing all these things. In this 10 hours that I'm wasting now, I could have finished 2 chapters. All these things will be going on in your head. Yes or no? Tell me, guys, especially during Diwali time, festival time, you will start having this double thoughts. Should I enjoy or should I go and study? Should I not waste my time? I am telling you, it is all the mind playing tricks with you. It is a mind game, I'm telling you, guys. You all tell me, when you are studying, what does the mind actually tell you to do? Your mind says, can we clean the room? The desk where I'm studying, it is looking dirty. Can I clean the desk and then start studying? What should I do after the exams? Can I start planning my trip now itself? Can I meet this friend, that friend? Oh, it's been so long since I spoke to her. Like that, your mind will be playing tricks when you open the book. Now, when you're going and bursting the crackers, your mind is again playing tricks with you that you have to come back, study, waste of 10 hours. All these things is your mind game. It is high time you start taking control of that mind. For people who are watching my videos 1 week back, I told you, plan for this week, finish the syllabus for this week, and go and enjoy, guys. Diwali just comes once a year. And don't fall prey to all of these mind games that it is playing with you. These 10 hours, nothing is going to happen. Seriously, I'm telling, nothing is going to happen. But tell yourself that you're going to use this to recharge yourself. That is the most important point. There is no point going and enjoying for 2 days and thinking about that enjoyment for another 5 days. No use. This 2 days, tell yourself that you're going to recharge yourself, come back stronger, come back sharper, and start running your marathon. CA journey is a marathon. It is definitely not a 100-meter sprint. You cannot just finish it like that. It takes that endurance. You need to take that break. You need to recharge yourself. You need to come back on track. You need to start running again. Tell yourself consciously, I will be taking this break, and the brain actually will be able to study better when it takes that rest. Taking a break for Diwali is not going to be a liability. Please don't think otherwise. It is in fact going to recharge yourself, and it is going to be an investment. So come back stronger after your Diwali break and tell yourself you will be energized. You've taken sufficient amount of breaks, had all the sweets, enjoyed yourself with friends, relatives, cousins. Enjoy like anything and come back and study properly, guys. Yes, all the very best and happy Diwali. Enjoy your holidays, guys.